Hello everybody, welcome to another video with your host Jake. Now today we are going to do a car seat installment tutorial. Right. This is not staying. Hold on. Alright, we are installing a safety first car seat. I don't know the model. Let me look. Alright, it is a safety first turn and go 360 we are installing today. Doing a video tutorial on how to install it. So, what you want to do first is obviously get the car seat inside of the car. Hold on. I'm very bad at these tutorial videos. Alrighty. Now that we got it rolling here. So, maybe I'll do this. Alright, so obviously, I want to start with the bottom anchors. Gotta figure out where they are. And then, like, just underneath the back of the thing, like down here, should be little, let's see, well, I guess not. Not here on this model vehicle. This is a 2021 Chevy Traverse. So, it doesn't on this one, but on this seat or this one, you can install the hooks, and there should be like tags saying that you can install it. Like, get it in. Put the other one. Alright, got those in. So now we're gonna put on the rear hook over the back of the vehicle. Well, on the back of the seat, sorry. Make sure that's in that hook back there. On this model, it's gonna be like toward the center on the back. Make sure it's tightened. Well, I gotta figure out why I can find. Shoot, phone fell. Just lovely. Alright. Sorry about that. I shook cars so violently. Alright, after that, there's like a gray lever just below on the back side of your tightening piece for the restraints. You want to pull back until the seat comes out of the base, and then you should rotate it first. Okay, so there's a gray lever back here that says squeeze to rotate. You squeeze it.
This isn't green yet.
Yeah, because there's a little belt in it. And then you pull the gray lever to pull out the seat. Then there's a squeeze handle and pull forward lever. It's gray on the base. And then you're going to put the seat belt underneath. There's an opening underneath the base.
Come see me when you're done.
So you want to put that seat belt through real tight. And then you're going to buckle it in like a normal car seat does. Make sure it's in place. And you're gonna squeeze on the belt, on the seat belt, until there's 2 green indicators here. These 2 indicators need to be both green, showing completely. So I'm gonna put that back there in place. You want to kind of, sometimes if you have one, you want to have like an assistant on the other one. Get them till they're no longer showing red. You gotta use some real muscle. Okay, then you're gonna pull on the seatbelt until you turn on the safety for it. Make sure the thing's firmly down and against the seat firmly. And then I'm gonna put the lever piece back on. That gray lever. About that again. Phone just can't stay up. Alright, let's try to play. Nope. It's not gonna. You wanna press in until it is secure. So when you want to release the seatbelt, you pull this and it comes out, and then you unbuckle, you send it through the bottom 2 ends. And now after you've done that, this is installing, you put it back into place. And then this is a 360 rotator, so you can rotate it any direction. You can do it backward facing. You can do it this way, so that you can, like, let's say you're buckling in from this side of the car and you don't want to get into the car because you have other babies inside. You just squeeze this gray lever and you rotate it, and then you can place your baby in, buckle them in, and do either backwards or you can do forwards. I guess go off of like your state law, whether baby should be facing forward or backwards depending on the age. And then we have padding, which has come off.
Oh, no, it's supposed to go in here.
But otherwise, yes, that is how you put in safety first 360 spin go. I think that's what I said. Okay. Oh, turn and go all in one. There you go. Alright. Okay. It's in. So, peace.